Hey, what's going on, y'all? Jimmy Macrum. It's time for episodes 1 and 2 of season 3 of Castlevania. I thought the first two seasons were good. Season 1 better than season 2, but like a lot. Sorry. Season 1 was great. Season 2 was boring for the first 3 3/4 episodes. Then it got really good. I'm hoping for more of the same, at least for the back half, in season 3. Don't forget to press the like button for the algorithm and subscribe. Let's get to it. Should probably hire somebody at this point. But Lord, it's a mess.
Penis in a dead dog I found in a ditch to make hay babies or something, because I am actually more stupid than mud.
You are a horrible, terrible person. And many other words for horrible and terrible, because I know all the words because I'm smarter than
That's a pretty good fucking accent, too. It's an interesting choice of wine, by the way. White instead of red.
It's only been a month.
Damn!
Oh no! Night creatures! 4.
Yep,
Doomed.
really are.
Poor beasties.
Damn. Disgusting. Go ahead, Cypher. Is chasing after the one that got away?
That called himself the Pirate of the Roads.
It's best to look like useful friends when we arrive at new towns.
You're catching on.
Well, it's been...
Oh, yeah. Work
We'd almost given up hope.
Oh, yeah.
And then I want you to bring a cartographer to my chambers. I may have a plan.
You poor bastard. Oh.
What is it?
It's a whining bag of shit that I would have happily dropped in a ditch at any moment of the last month. I'm wondering if you'd still be waiting for me. Where's Morana?
She waits us inside. Come on.
It's gonna take a while. Used to new characters, names and all. I do feel bad for Hector. You can be something better than that. I knew it. I knew it. I think I tried to starve myself to death. It's gotta be a terrible way to go, but I mean, this life ain't much worth living. Red wine. Bad vampires. It's my initial thought, at least.
There. The plan couldn't have gone more wrong.
You'll be wanting a drink then.
Not wine. Idiot. Blood. I'm such a dope. I apologize.
It's us against the world, Carmilla. Same as it always was.
I don't believe any of that. They've been plotting without her.
2 coins each.
They were 1 denarius yesterday.
That was yesterday.
Yes, just yesterday. As master or mistress of it, you should be a banker.
Give me some coins to count then.
Bars.
Well, this is new.
From the time before boyars and lords. What is your name?
I'm simply the judge. And you are?
Bars.
Wait a moment.
Uh-oh.
The horde betrayed Dracula at Varela. Murder at the hands of vagabonds and a long dragging behind a wagon is no less than they deserve.
What?
Speaker.
Why?
So my men can punish those responsible.
This guy.
Okay then. Nice to meet you.
There was a speaker woman at Grishit's.
Oh, shit.
Indeed. We shall give thanks.
His eyes are frightening as fuck. It's a great choice.
It's a problem. Mr. I'm Trevor. This is Cypher. Ah. No last names?
Nope.
What do you want for its teeth?
You'll have to get them out yourself.
Happily.
Trevor, that is wrong.
Why?
You killed that bastard thing. You get one free.
Oh.
Oh my god. That is better than sex.
Oh, don't be a douche. What the fuck?
Well, no, not.
Oh, excuse me.
No, just different, differently good.
I know we were there already. An awful fucking life. Coldest fucking water I can find. What the fuck? Hey! Boy, he's got himself an army.
Wait.
I like the cloak too. I ain't gonna hold you.
It's not an education. It's a curse. It's easy to detect. You just have to know what hell smells like. And you know the smell
Bars.
of hell. Purchased from me by a lovely couple from Kolkata who did not go out during the day. If you take my meaning. When I indicate, say your name and clap your hands.
Woo! Wow.
There you are. Are you breathing, betrayer?
Yeah, barely.
Also, I fully expect to go to hell one day, and that would be a situation where I would be glad to be owed a favor by a forge master.
Dope. Isaac is inherently interesting.
You will get out of the city right now, or face the consequences.
Oh, Jesus.
One more word and you will die, and then you're monsters. Move!
Oh, Jesus.
I don't need any of these bodies for forging. You may eat.
It's dumb motherfuckers. You had no plan?
Bored. Hurry your asses up. I'm bored and I want to be going somewhere.
Great voice he's got.
If it wasn't hard, then why would sailors exist? Why would ships need crews?
You make a good point.
Seriously.
You've just said you've been disappointed by men making improper decisions. That leads me to believe that you're a man of your word.
You are a strange man.
Indeed.
Doesn't matter. I'm the captain. That's all you need to know and all you need to call me. Do I have your word, Isaac?
Let's get back to it.
Or being eaten by beasties?
You will not be eaten by my beasties.
Oh boy, I don't know how that felt. Gonna turn him into one of them things. I want to like Isaac. I do like Isaac, regardless of whether or not he's a piece of shit. Just want to not be a piece of shit.
To Brayla. Our march from there to here defines a destabilized zone with no real power structures or organization.
Oh, wait. I think I see. It's a pen, isn't it? A pen for livestock?
That's right. We enclose this corridor with all the humans in it. That will keep us fed forever. That's the wonderful thing about humans. Leave a handful of them alone for 5 minutes, and they'll make more little humans.
That's facts, ain't it?
He was quite pliable once. And then you got him to betray his master, made him see all his goals destroyed, beat the shit out of him, and...
Oh, so night creatures are loyal to their forge masters. We might just be giving him the opportunity to create his own army.
That's a fair point. Oh, Jesus.
Oh, smells so good. Can I take two?
Those are on me. Dragging a dead night creature behind your simple wagon, a flourish worthy of the royal courts of Europe. You are practically the Jesus of murder.
Bars.
I'm taking breakfast back to my partner. Thanks for paying. Nope.
Oh, these creeps.
Prior Salah. What a beautiful
Eyes are
morning.
so fucking creepy.
I know that the church had certain knowledge of Dracula for generations, and some of it likely resides in the books you cannot read or repair.
Ooh, that's a nice pitch. Why does he want in?
Limited how?
Limited. Do you agree?
I have a choice, huh?
Dracula's wife is alive in hell. Dracula went from Brayla to join her there.
Got a lot of hell talk this episode.
Well, that was unusual.
Poquito.
Still, finally, forward motion.
What is Saint Germain off up to?
I am immortal and glorious, and all these other people smell of piss.
Immortal. How?
We have come a long way. Please, I need to know if he's all right.
If I wanted him dead, I would have aimed higher. I didn't notice you yesterday. You're better than I thought. Who was your quarry?
Dracula.
Her name is Cho.
Oh, this lady.
But she's not the only vampire in Japan. We need more knowledge than we have to fight them.
Interesting.
This is a good day for us.
Alucard, will you teach us?
No.
Teach you.
We are alone in this world, and we do not
I hope
have enough
so.
power.
Follow me.
You know you've been bored and lonely and talking to your fucking self. Take him in.
That is Dracula's castle.
That's my castle.
Fucking bars.
To pass on the secrets of the world and the true science. I think my mother would approve.
Aww.
Come on then. We begin.
Okay.